So I'm back here at West Marion Bike Trails, and they've got a big jump, drop, and some other stuff. Oh, nice. They got wooden features. Sweet. Well, I'm gonna ride this a few times. They were working on this last time I was here, but that was like a year ago. Oh, wow, that's a drop. Wow. Oh, it's a gap jump. Okay. Got nailed in the face with some bugs. Okay. I wasn't gonna hit the first time, but bugs got in my face, and I was like, holy crap. All right, so let's try. This is a great warm-up. I wish Red Wing had stuff like this. Look at the green trail. Yeah, green trail of death. Okay, so it gets harder the longer you stay on it, basically. So I'm really not sure where you go if you take this other drop on the right. I'm gonna do that second. Oh, this is scary. Not too bad. Okay. Stay on it. Stay on it. Okay. So I didn't do the most difficult one. I just got a drop at the end of it. Ramps on this. That's actually not bad. And then you pump. I'm bumping into this. Yeah, I can't get that. I think it's up here. Yep, I see it. Oh, how I hate teeter totters. Wow, that's like doing a drop. Holy crap. That thing doesn't move until the very end. My tire was actually at the end of it before it moved. But this is a lot of fun. I did this last time. Whoa, whoa, that's a jump. Holy banana boats. Okay, they've done some new stuff in here. Crap. Now I have to go back. Yeah, they've got new stuff in here. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. Unless there's a gap jump up here. I could probably do this. Let's see if I can do this again. So, clear this, jump, roll it, and then go hard right. Oh, that was a pedal clash. I'm really not sure. Oh, heck yeah. A little bit of drop on that. That's pretty sweet. I was expecting there to be a massive something after that. But there's not. Oh, wow. Okay. I was not ready for that. So they got some new stuff in here. There's another black diamond out here. Called a post. And I don't know if this is new or what. That's a black diamond. This might be that other fun trail. I'm not really sure. I do see jumps. Not doing so good. Yeah, this is the other fun trail. I'm doing all the fun trails first. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm getting air on every single one of these. Blue. Okay. Caution. Oh, here's the drop. Okay. and then there's a rock. This is my Apple Deluxe 2.0, well actually 3.0. 2.0 for the whole thing.
And the obvious
See if I can
winner
kick
is
this
the Saber Forge. I continue to do light tests for a saber battle with these two sabers and see how they would work. Obviously, I had a lot
okay,
of
here we go,
issues,
big one.
but I did get
rock
the
that
saber
in the future.
battle filmed, and we did it
Wow.
in the underpass, and it turned out okay. I had to rotoscope the
That was
sabers,
perfect.
But
I could have gotten a little higher on it.
the end of the story
Now,
ends here.
I don't know if I want to do that. That's kind of in an awkward angle. But now I got to get more speed. So I want to clear this jump that's up here. I don't remember where it is. You keep rocking around these corners. Get the right amount of speed. This one. Oh yeah! Woo! I cleared it. I may have nudged it a little bit, but felt like I cleared it. So there's some big rollers up here somewhere. Trying to keep my speed up. Trying to wear my stuff out. No more biking until spring. Here we go. I don't know if these are gonna be jumps or not. Oh! Oh yeah, I cleared both of them. Cougar. Actually, what I might do is I might do the greenback.